Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Now take the small section of the hairs, roll it upward. Make the plaits on the right side and fix it on the left and it's ready. Next, fix this bun stick on the hairs like this. Fold it upward and roll it and fix it by rotating it from the sides and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then fix this bun stick. Roll down the hairs tied from the bottom, fold it and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs by taking small sections and make the plaits on it. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the plaits using this hairstyling tool. After that, tie all the hairs like this in the same manner, tie it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it on the top, fix it using the rubber band. Now tie the hairs again and fix it over the bun like this. Put the hairs on the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it like this. After that, divide it into two parts and make the plaits on the sides. Now join them together on the back and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.